Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you subscribe to my channel and you don't miss out on everything you need to do to build your cleaning business to six figures and beyond using federal government cleaning contracts. So in this video, like I said, every Sunday, I'm going to bring you something that's going to give you what you need to get closer to building your cleaning business to six figures and beyond using federal government cleaning contracts. So today I'm going to talk about the three phases of a contract. So first, there's the pre-award. That is when the contracting officer, the CO, makes sure that they put the solicitation out that they're looking for your cleaning business. That's right, yours. They're looking for you. They're looking for your cleaning business to come in and give them a proposal. You are actually going to answer a request for proposal. That's what an RFP is. That's the pre-award stage. The actual award stage or phase is when you've been awarded the contract. The contracting officer notifies you that you've won that bid, that you've won that proposal, that they're going to award the contract to you. Congratulations, you have won a contract, a federal government cleaning contract to grow your business closer and closer to the goal you've set of six figures and beyond. Number three is when you actually get started delivering. The contract begins, it commences. Now you're delivering the services. You still have not gotten any money. You have not received any money. So your question is, so what do I need to do to survive to make sure that I thrive over the time frame? Now, during the actual commencing, you're going to also have a vendor meeting where all the expectations are met. And that's usually once it's been awarded, and before you start, you're given another briefing because now you've been awarded that contract. So the first question a lot of people have is, how do I not just survive, but thrive through the time frame when I'm looking at financing that contract? You will really be surprised that the number one thing you're going to have is working capital. You're going to have some money to actually be able to go through the time frame that it takes with this federal government cleaning contract. So in the next video, which I'll have tomorrow, I will actually talk about ways you can make sure that you not only survive but thrive when it comes to what you need to do once you've gone through the three phases: the pre-award, the award, and the post-award. Now you're in the post-award stage. You've already been awarded the contract. And for those of you that are looking at obtaining a contract, I do a lot of videos on that. But there are those of you that have already been awarded contracts, or you're looking at it. What's that going to feel like once I get awarded? Let's say you haven't won any. You're in the post, you are in the pre-award stage is when you're looking at the solicitations to make sure that you fill everything out the right way. And then guess what? The award stage is you've won. So now here you are, you've won the contract. What now? We talk a lot about the pre, and we talk very little bit about once you've been awarded the contract. And this is whether it's been a micro purchase, a simplified acquisition, or when it comes to actually a winning one of the ones that you've had to bid on. Regardless, you are now in the post-award stage, and you really need to know, what does that look like? What's the financing? What's the payment? What is going on? So that you're not caught off guard. You want to make sure you follow all the steps. Then I'm going to make sure I do a series. The next 3 days is going to be all about what you need to do when it comes to financing, what the expectations are, the meetings after, so you can get in your mind before you get to that stage what all you need to do, because that's a part of the pre-award. So if you want to really understand all about how to win big with government cleaning contracts, then you need to actually visit the masterclass that I have. It is a masterclass on just that. The masterclass is on how to win big with federal government cleaning contracts. I get into the nitty gritty. I actually show you all the steps that you need. I show you exactly step by step by step the process of proposals, the proposal process. What does it look like? How do you find out about your competition? What do you need to do in order to make sure that you are attractive to government buyers so they look at you? What does your profile look like? What is it about SAMs and DUNs and all of these things, including how do I actually build a relationship with the contracting officers? All of that and more. Then make sure you register for my How to Win Big with Government Cleaning Contracts. How do I win big with Federal Government Cleaning Contracts Masterclass? I go over there. All that. It's a live event. We have a lot of fun. We have quite a few people that are there. We're interacting, we're learning, we're networking, and so much more. So if that sounds like something like you're really ready, because like I said, you don't know what next year is going to be like. So you want to make sure that the one thing you don't have to be concerned about is if you actually contract yourself and become a contractor to the federal government, that is one of the things you do not have to concern yourself with is if they're going to pay you and if they're going to need your services. They are going to constantly need our services in this industry that we are so fortunate to be in. We don't have to look and hunt and chase to determine whether we're going to have the services. It's just a matter of which agency you want to be with because we've got so many that seek our services. And what do I need to do to be attractive? Set-asides are a big one. Actually being certified and having set-asides are a big part. Having a capability statement that makes sense and that's an award-winning capability. Do you know what needs to be in it? Do you know all the things that come to creating your profile under SAMs? It's not just having an account, it's what's involved. Well, guess what? While you're in the masterclass, I take you to SAMs. I talk to you about what keywords you need to put in your profile because it is a keyword search in a lot of those profiles. So like I said, if this sounds like something and you're really ready to get into what you need to do to win big with government contracts, then register for the masterclass, How to Win Big with Government Cleaning Contracts. Look forward to seeing you there. Make sure you click the link to register, and I'll see you soon. Until next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.